This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Ben Williams, beautiful high-quality one-owner home in Denison built in 2017. Wonderfully laid out floor plan and open concept design for fun entertaining and easy living. This home has so many extras inside like custom cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, vaulted ceilings, beautiful wood-look ceramic flooring and more. The gorgeous owner's retreat bedroom and bath with dual sinks and walk-in closets is a must-see. Huge covered front porch with custom railing to sit and enjoy the wonderful Texas weather and say hi to your neighbors. Designed with modern living and efficiency in mind. For more information, review the details below or contact Ben Williams at 903-271-3317.